Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. Today we are going to discuss a special question which is really important to all of us. So, which factors of tire affect the car mileage? So we are going to dig in with all the factors of tires which are affecting the mileage. So please stay tuned with us. So the first and foremost parameter for mileage is the width of the tire. Yes, the greater is the width, lesser will be the mileage. But what extra it add-ons is really important. It gives better handling, better braking and increased corner performance as well. So width is a first parameter. If you are going for higher width tire, let's see, this tire is of 195 mm width, and if you are going for higher width like 205 or something, you will be facing at least 2 to 3% reduction in the car mileage automatically, just because the more the area of tire touches to the ground, more traction there is. If you are a racer or you need high speed performance, you should go for the wider tires. And if you are really concerned about the mileage, you can go for leaner tires, so it will definitely give a better mileage for the longer runs. The second parameter is the tire pressure. Yes, even if you have a very lean tire which has a lesser width, but the tire pressure is not proper, then definitely is going to hamper the mileage of a car. These were two major parameters which are contributing to car mileage at the most. There might be plenty of them, but we are not going to discuss that because they are not giving that much participation in the mileage concern. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwa signing off from Smart Drive.